CES is one of the biggest trade shows that starts off the year, where automotive to fitness companies, large and small, come to show off what they've been working on. We're going to take a look at the cameras that were showed off at CES 2019. Sharp, a company who is more well known for making TVs, have announced at CES that they're planning to make an 8K camera. 8K. Okay, all the information I have right now is preliminary. So let's run through the specs. So this Sharp 8K camera will be using an in-house micro four thirds sensor. Didn't even know Sharp was in the camera game, but okay. So this 8K camera will shoot video at, as the name says, at 8K resolution at up to 30 frames a second. It has a 5-inch, hear me now, 5-inch flippy screen. So those persons who are planning to vlog or are their own one-man filmmaking team, they can see they're filming themselves also a touchscreen. So you can see your framing, see what's in focus, all the works. On the port side, it comes with a full HDMI slot, a USB-C slot, which will be used to take out pictures and charge at the same time. It comes with a mic and a headphone input slot, so you can listen to your audio and attach an external microphone to it. Yet this feature now that is going to be targeting the higher level prosumers is a mini XLR adapter, so you can connect your more professional audio equipment onto the camera. And all this now is targeted at a price range of under $5,000. So this might be the first 8K camera and will be targeted under $5,000. If Shark can deliver on all of this as it has showed off at CES, it will be a very good camera. They will announce more information at NAB later this year. So next we will look at Panasonic in their first foray into full frame cameras. So their first foray into the full frame cameras will be the S1 and S1R. They're both targeted to photographers, but it will also have good video features onto it, as all Panasonic cameras have great video specs. So these cameras now will have 2 card slots, so those professionals, they're covered with their redundancy and their overflow while writing to the card. So it will have a SD card and XUD card. The S1 will have 21 megapixel sensor and the S1R will have a 41 megapixel camera. On the screen is a listing of all the specs that we have at this time. The cameras that was on display were all demo units, so later on you'll get more. So next we'll come to Kodak. Kodak is showing out a trio of smile cameras and printers. So with all 3 of these products, you can print out photographs that you have on your device. So there is the Smile Classic. It is not a digital camera, so you cannot store the picture that you have. You can take a picture and then print it out, or you can connect it to your phone through Bluetooth and print out pictures there. Next, there is the Smile Digital Camera, and as the name says, it is a digital camera, so you can store your pictures on your device and then print it out on a later date. And then lastly, now there is the Smile Printer, which is just a printer for you to print out your images. They are also debuting a feature where you can embed a video into your photo. So you take a picture, say at a wedding, at a graduation, you can send it over to your family overseas. They can, with the Kodak app installed on their smartphone, see the video that you have embedded in there. The Smile Classic will cost $150. The Smile Digital Camera will cost $100, and the small printer will cost $100. So lastly we come to Canon, and Canon at CES has just announced three new Vixia camcorders. The Vixia line is Canon's consumer grade camcorders. Of those three that have been announced, the more interesting one is the Vixia HF-G50. This is Canon's first 4K camcorder. So let's just run through the specs of this camcorder. It's 4K at up to 30 frames a second, 20 times optical zoom. So say you're taking your daughter's dance recital or your son's football game, you can zoom in without any loss of quality. It comes with two SD card slots, a mic and a headphone jack, so you can actually monitor the audio that you're getting while you're recording. And also you can connect an external mic. It has a 5-axis OIS, so while you're walking or trying to follow your subject, you won't have to worry about your footage looking too shaky. So the suggested retail price is 1,100. So users are looking into recording longer format content, say a church service, say a football match, a conference, all of those. They don't have to break the bank in getting one of the higher level cameras. They can start out with a G50. Hands-on video for all products mentioned are linked in the description below.